Hello and welcome back. In this video we'll be solving exponential equation cube root of 81 multiplied with fifth root of 3 the whole over 243 is equal to 3 the power of x. First of all, try to observe the base numbers. It's exponential, but the base numbers, the first number which is found in the cube root 81, it can be written as power of 3. So 81 can be written as 3 the power of 4. This implies cube root of 81, we can write it as cube root of 3 the power of 4. Again, at this point, try to recall nth root of any variable a, which is positive number, the whole the power of m. If you have, we can write this one as a the power of m over n4. So this number, it can be written as 3 the power of 4 over 3. Okay, let us keep this one of the simplest form of cube root of 81. When you go to the second part, fifth root of 3, the fifth root of 3, which is the same as 3 the power of 1 over 5, because the index is 5, so we can write it in this way. And the last one, 243, again it can be written as power of 3, which is 3 the power of 5 4. Let us keep this. Now let us insert all of this as an input in place of every component, and let us apply exponential rule. But let me try to recall some exponential rule. That is, if a the power of m times a the power of n for any positive numbers a, it can be written as a the power of m plus n. We are multiplying two exponents having the same base, so in case of multiplication, what to do? Just take one of the base, add the exponent, product rule, and the quotient rule says a the power of m over a the power of n. If we have, again, there are two exponents having the same base, we can write it as a the power of m minus n. I hope you know or you remember this thing. Let us apply those exponential rule here. So when we substitute every component, what we have already, in place of cube root of 81, we wrote 3 the power of 4 over 3, and in place of fifth root of 3, we can write 3 the power of 1 over 5, the whole over 243, also it is 3 the power of 5, which is equal to 3 the power of x. The right hand side will be kept as it is. This implies, when you observe the numerator part here, it is product of two exponents having the same base, 3 3. So we can take one base and add the exponent. But when you add these two numbers, 4 over 3 or plus 1 over 5, you can apply crisscross. 4 over 3 plus 1/5 by crisscross. 4 times 5, it's 20, plus 3 times 1, it is 3 the whole over, and 3 times 5 will be 15, which is 23 over 15. This is the whole exponent of 3 in the numerator part. Let us do it. So that when you take the difference, 4 over 3, when you add the 2, 4 over 3 plus 1 over 5, we already got it, which is 23 over 15. The whole over 3 the power of 5 will be written as it is, which is equal to 3 the power of x. The next step, again, try to observe here. This is two exponent, which is written as a quotient having the same base. So according to quotient rule, that is a the power of m over a by the power of n, we can write it as a the power of m minus n form. So that's the way how I apply here. 3 the power of 23 3 the power of 23 over 15 minus 5 is equal to 3 the power of x. How to take the difference of this fraction? Actually 5 means denominator 1. You can apply crisscross, or you can make the denominator, but the denominator is the same. 23 over 15 minus 5 means over 1, so you can multiply by 15 by 15. So what do we have now? 23 over 15 minus 75 over 15. So when you take the difference, obviously it's going to be negative 52 over 15. the whole thing will be the exponent when you take the difference. Okay, let us insert and then let us finalize it. So the difference of 23 over 15 minus 5 will be negative 52 over 15. Then when you try to see here, the two exponents, they do have the same base and they are equal, means you can take the exponent are equal according to the rule. If you have a the power of m is equal to a the power of n, obviously or necessarily m must be equal to n. So when you apply that rule here, the x value will be negative 52 over 15. So that's going to be our final solution set for the given exponential equation. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like it, subscribe and comment.